Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald. If you are new, welcome for the first time, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today we're going to be reviewing some more hair care. I know this will probably be my last hair care video for just a little bit, so no worries. I will be bringing all my skincare stuff back, but I've just been finding such good hair care products that I want to share them with you. And it's like when I find something good, regardless of what my plan was with YouTube, I'm gonna like move everything to get a specific product in. So as you can tell from the title, we're going to be reviewing THEORIE Sage hair care. Now, I have been using this brand for about a week now. I've only used one of the many scents that they sent me, but I've had quite an experience with this one particular scent. So if you are ready, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Also, yeah, I'm gonna interrupt my own video. I have a giveaway that I'm gonna be sharing with y'all at the end of the video, like at the very end. So make sure to watch the video through until the very end so you have a chance to win some THEORIE hair care products. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, also, as you can tell, we have a little bit of a different setup going on. Like, it's not the vanity right now. We're actually in my living room. My living room has like a panoramic glass windows, so the natural lighting is really good in here. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna take my wonderful audience into my living room, see if we can't film something nice in here. And yeah, anyways, this is my living room. You can't really see much because this is like the one bare wall in our apartment. We really want to put like a pretty painting up there. I'm getting so sidetracked. Okay, THEORIE hair care. So here is the gorgeous package that all of my hair care products came in. It's so freaking heavy, and I actually have, these two pockets are empty because these are the scents that I'm currently using. I did run and get them out of my shower though, so I could still show them to y'all. So it came beautifully packaged like this. Now picture two pretty bottles there. That's how I got it. So we're gonna talk about these products, and then, oh, sorry, they were on the floor. We're also gonna talk about these two products. So these were the other ones that came in that package. Another little set of products we're also gonna talk about. Sorry, I just have my stuff spread out like everywhere. So the other two products we're gonna talk about are their little travel sets. These things are so freaking adorable, and they are just the perfect sets for going on vacation, which spring break's coming up, summer's coming up, aka like prime travel time, except with this virus going around that everyone can still travel and have their spring break and summer fun. But regardless, if you have any traveling coming up, these little travel kits will be your hair's best friend. So first, I just want to talk a little bit about THEORIE and what they call their THEORIE. So they use a wide variety of different biotonical and lab created products that they put inside of all of the shampoos and conditioners that we use. It is a hair treatment brand, so all the stuff they sell is meant for your hair, and they have many different scents, and each scent is geared towards a different specific hair need. So as I go through these, I'll have one scent that's meant for dull and dry hair. I'll have another scent that's meant for damaged and colored hair. So they have different scents and a lot of different shampoo and conditioners depending on what your need is and your type of hair. They use a combination of nature and technology, but mostly nature. That's what they're most proud of. They enrich all of their products with a lot of antioxidants, a lot of nutrients, and I think that's why they've stood out to me a lot. And I've actually replaced my Redken shampoo. For those of y'all that are watching for the first time, I always talk about Redken being my #1 shampoo, and I've actually replaced it with THEORIE because even though this brand, actually it's about the same level of brand, like quality wise, this brand is a little bit cheaper than Redken in terms of price, but their quality and their attention to actual nutrition in their products is spot on. And I think that's why I really love it so much, because there's so many nutrients and they have so many products geared towards specific hair needs. Not a lot of companies have that. They'll have like a generic shampoo and conditioner, they'll have an ultra hydrating one, and then they'll have a color treatment shampoo and conditioner, and that's it. So that's not a very wide variety for all of the different types of hair there are out there. And this company has such a large variety, no matter what your ethnicity is, no matter what your hair texture is, whatever your hair need is, there's almost 100% chance they're gonna have something for you. Theorie uses a mix of natural and synthetic materials that support the integrity of their overall formulas and ingredients. They have the highest percentages of active ingredients that are the ideal pH level, and girls, that's like really important for us. So that is something that I was like, oh, it's interesting that they pointed that out, because not too many brands are leading with that, and yeah, it's really good for us. Also, they have no sulfates, no PEGs, none of that bad stuff, which pretty much almost everything I review is free of that stuff, because I personally try to stay away from that, and I really only review things that I would even use. So, I mean, why would I review anything else? But anyways, all the stuff I review doesn't have that bad stuff. So it goes without saying, Theorie is free of negativity. So let's talk about what I have here today. So I'm gonna talk first about the green tea and bamboo energizing shampoo and conditioner, because that is what I have been using. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is big and green and beautiful, and also, pardon my nails, I just got my fake ones taken off and my real ones look like they just went through a meat grater, so yeah. So the green tea and bamboo energizing shampoo is meant for damaged and dull hair. Now, my hair is not damaged, nor is it dull, but I really wanted the ingredients that this shampoo and conditioner provided for that type of hair. And since it is an energizing shampoo and I like to take my showers in the morning, can you see where I'm going with this? Yes, so it does kind of give your scalp a little oomph to start your day. I wouldn't recommend this necessarily in the evening, because you're gonna energize yourself right before you go to bed. So the main energizing components of this energizing shampoo is green tea and bamboo. Those two products together form a very powerful duo to strengthen and kind of combat the heat applications you'll use on your hair, and the daily pollutions we come in contact with that just grab onto that hair and stay on it and weigh it down and just dull it out. I also love the scent of this. It's really minimal and light, but just super refreshing. And everything I'm saying for the shampoo also applies to the conditioner. The only thing I'm gonna add about the conditioner is it is so antioxidantly enriched and nourishing for your hair that my hair it's so soft, I have to use a product when I get out of the shower to give it some grit back. Like, it is impossible to style your hair after using this conditioner without some type of product, because it makes your hair so light and fluffy and soft. Like, even a ponytail holder will slide out of your hair using this conditioner. So that's a great thing for your hair to be that soft and lovely. But if you do need to do a certain style, curl your hair, put it up something, make sure you have just some kind of a texturizing spray to add the texture and the grittiness that this takes out. Also, these products are hair color treated friendly. They actually protect color treated hair, so this is really good and recommended from the website that this is the shampoo you use for hair that has been treated with color. And most of their hair products actually you can use with color treated hair, unless it is like a scrubby shampoo, which they do have a black charcoal shampoo. That I don't believe is meant for color treated hair, because it will strip your hair, but this guy is. So the next product I want to talk about is their most popular hair product, and that is their Amber Rose shampoo and conditioner. That is the Maroonish shampoo and conditioner. This is their #1 seller. This is their most popular hair shampoo and conditioner because it's like the all-around most friendliest. It covers the most bases. This one's made with rose flower extract, sage essential oils, grapeseed oil, and keratin. This also has a really high amino complex, so it is really trying to like build up any kind of dry part of your hair, whether it's at the root, at the end, or just somewhere in the middle. The Amber collection also has a lot of oils as well, which is why it's the most hydrating shampoo out of all the ones they sell. So I'm just gonna read the little description on the back so y'all know what this shampoo is supposed to do. It's a naturally antiseptic rose flower extract. I can already tell this is gonna be a tongue twister. Rose flower extract that effortlessly blends with vitamin-rich sage essential oil and strengthening keratin protein to nourish your hair. All right, I had to piece that together because I kept messing up saying this paragraph. Like, I don't know what's wrong with my tongue and articulation today, but it's off. So anyways, that is what is in the shampoo. And very similar ingredients fall in the conditioner. I'm going to attach both products below so y'all can check them out. And the third hair and conditioner I'm gonna share with y'all that I actually really can't wait to try, because this is a glossing shampoo and conditioner, is their Manoi Buriti. I'm saying it wrong. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce this. So there's just only so many words I have memorized in my head. Both of these words, the title of the shampoo and conditioner, I don't know how to, they're not there. So anyways, this is their gloss shampoo and conditioner. I hope the light is not too bright and y'all can read that. Anyways, this is meant for coarse and dry hair. So I always joke with my mom, because she has like broom hair. Literally, it's the most coarse hair I've ever seen on any human being. Not just a lady, on any human being. So this would be like perfect for her. And her hair is also color treated. So this is supposed to highly protect color treated hair and keratin treated hair. So this product has a ton of oils inside of it. Coconut, grapeseed, keratin protein, manon, that oil. And its emollients penetrate the hair shaft, helping the cuticles to lay flat and stay smooth for flawless finishes. So this is really supposed to help with that out of control hair that also needs a nice little gloss lift. I will attach these below. I have not used these yet, but these are the ones that I want to use next. So really quickly, before we move into the traveling kits, all of these products are the same size and I believe the same price, but I just want to share that information with y'all before we move on. So their biggest products are 13.5 fluid ounces. Obviously, you cannot travel with these unless you plan on checking them under a suitcase. But if you would like to bring your shampoos and conditioners on the plane with you, you do need travel sizes. That size is 3.4 fluid ounces. So these ain't even close. These are meant to stay at your house, or if you're going on a vacation for like a month and you need a lot of stuff, then you can just check this. So that is the size of these. These also do retail for $19 each. However, if you buy a bundle package, which is a shampoo and conditioner together, I believe it's $38 for both. So you save a couple of dollars there. Theory also has argan oils, thermal sprays, hair serums, like a bunch of stuff that you can apply to your hair after you get out of the shower that just adds to the health of your hair. Also, as I mentioned, for the conditioners, or at least that one conditioner being really conditioning to the point where your hair is so silky smooth it can't do anything. It does have products on their website that go best with their shampoo and conditioners to add that texture back in. So now that we're done with the big boys, let's go ahead and talk about the travel kits. So this is what the travel kit looks like. This is actually the Amber Rose Hydrating Collection travel version. So it's like the little version of this guy. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a little Christmas present when you open it up. Super duper cute. And I hope that got in focus. But anyways, here's what they look like outside of the kit. They are freaking adorable. Little tiny travel guys. And they are the same ingredients as the big products. They're just in the little travel version. These are 3 fluid ounces. And also, if you do get a travel set and a big set, you just refill these whenever they run out. If you travel a lot, then just get a checked bag and check your big Theory products. These do retail for $7, I think. That's a crazy good price because this is in the more luxury hair care and hair tool category. So this fabulous price for a little travel set. One thing that's cool about these two is that even though it has that little like pointy edge where like on another product you would like pump it right here, this is just for looks basically, but it's really a twisty cap. It's just like that. It's just so when your hands are super wet in the shower, and you know how like taking the lids off of things is impossible when your hands are wet. This is just so you have a little anchor. It just looks like a pump, just in case you were wondering, because I know some people get confused with that. But yeah, it's a twisty cap. All right, so that was my review on the products that I have gotten from Theory. I am loving them on my hair. I am so high up and I live in a skyscraper building and somehow I can still hear the ambulance. All right, so those are my thoughts on the products that I have gotten so far from Theory. I absolutely love the green tea and bamboo shampoo and conditioner. So far, it's just been making my hair glisten and kind of gives me a little kick to my step in the mornings. But I also have a surprise for y'all. I have partnered up with Theory to do a giveaway. I already started the giveaway 2 days ago on my Instagram, but I wanted to let y'all know here on YouTube because the giveaway will be open for an entire week. So with my giveaway, I'm actually picking 25 winners this time. Yeah, not just one. So the chance of you winning my giveaway is a lot higher than just one winner. But if you enter my giveaway, you will possibly be winning 2 hair care and conditioner packets. So this is considered one packet, and you will correspond with the brand on which scents you want and kind of what's going on with your hair and what they think will be the best hair and shampoo for your hair. So like I said, this is a great product to have, especially as travel season's coming up for spring break and summer. These are definitely products you're gonna want in your travel kits. So I have linked below my Instagram post for you to enter that giveaway. The rules are super easy. And yeah, just put your name in the hat for a chance to win some fun traveling hair, shampoo, and conditioner sets. But other than that, I think I've said all I need to say about the product. I love it. It's worked really well on my hair. I actually showered right before I filmed this. I probably should have said that earlier in the video, but I did. I showered about an hour ago and all I did was blow dry it. It has no product in it, so as you can tell, it's just like, it's probably the flattest it's ever been. I will note that, just because it's so silky smooth that it has no lift in it. So I'm gonna go style my hair right now, but I did want y'all to see it fresh with just the Theory hair shampoo and conditioner products. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope if you are on the fence of buying them, you definitely enter my giveaway for a chance to win and test out the products yourself. And yeah, if you are on the fence and you want one of the big bottles, then hopefully this gave you some clarity on if you're gonna get them or not. I've attached all of the products and links below, and definitely if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up for me. All right guys, have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.